Hey, what's up? I'm Mark Terry Bellini, and today they're pouring my foundation. They're on their way out with the cement truck. They're going to pour and get everything ready to go. So I'm going to do a quick time lapse of how that goes, and then I'll check back in a little bit later. Okay, so it's been a couple weeks and the foundation is completely finished, and here it is. I had to wait about 7 days for it to completely cure, and then after it cured, they came in and they tightened the cables that were in here. You can kind of see the discoloration here. That's because the cables were sticking out right there, and so they waited about a week to come in and tighten those up, and then the city came by and the engineer came by and tested to make sure that they're the correct tension, and then they gave that green lights, and then they cut it off, and then they went ahead and grouted it. But everything is ready to go. We have the bolts here, so for the framing, all the piping's all in. They had to come in and actually do a slight patch here. There's a little bit of a hole that was left, so I asked them to come back and make sure to patch that and make sure that's encased. That's the ground wire right there. And then all the other pipes seem to be enclosed pretty well. So I need to come back, at some point soon with a grinder, angle grinder. I have to cut off all these nails that are sticking out. That was just part of the cable tension. So they actually cut some off here when he patched this. He cut some off there for me. So there's one there. And then, let's see, nothing along this side. Let's check over here. I haven't looked quite yet. Yeah, so I think just actually one nail, and that should do it. Yeah, so it looks like when they came out and, tightened the cables and grouted everything, they went ahead and cut off some of the nails too. So that makes it easier for me. I only have to cut off one nail, but this is it. It's all ready to go. It's mid-December right now, and the contractor can't get started on the framing until probably early next year. So I'm looking at January. But it's awesome to finally have a slab down, have the foundation ready to go, and it's quite the accomplishment to get through all of that. It's been a long time coming. A lot of things with the city and planning and inspections and the whole 9 yards. So it's nice to have this finally done and on to the next steps. So if you like this content, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.